Today, we're going inside a modern samosa factory to follow the complete journey from freshly harvested potatoes to the crispy samosas served in supermarkets, restaurants, and homes around the world. The journey begins with the arrival of fresh potatoes. Every day, truckloads of freshly harvested potatoes arrive at the factory from nearby farms. As the trucks enter the unloading area, the potatoes are transferred onto large conveyor systems where workers perform an initial inspection. Damaged or spoiled potatoes are removed, while the remaining ones continue toward processing. Since potatoes make up the majority of the filling, maintaining their quality is one of the most important parts of the entire production process. The potatoes are then transported into large industrial washing machines. Powerful water jets and rotating drums remove dirt, mud, stones, and other unwanted materials collected during harvesting. As the potatoes tumble through the washers, every surface is thoroughly cleaned. By the time they leave the washing section, they are completely free of soil and ready for the next stage. After washing, the potatoes move into automatic peeling machines. Inside these machines, abrasive rollers gently remove the outer skin while minimizing waste. Thousands of potatoes can be peeled every hour. Workers stationed along the conveyor perform quick visual inspections, removing any potatoes that still contain damaged spots or remaining pieces of peel. Once peeled, the potatoes enter massive stainless steel cooking vessels where they are boiled under carefully controlled temperatures. The cooking process is monitored continuously because achieving the correct texture is essential. If the potatoes are undercooked, the filling becomes hard. If they are overcooked, the mixture becomes too soft. After cooking, the potatoes are transferred onto cooling conveyors, where excess steam is removed before the next process begins. The slightly cooled potatoes are fed into industrial mashing machines. Heavy-duty blades break them into small pieces while preserving enough texture to create a traditional samosa filling. Unlike mashed potatoes served with meals, samosa filling requires a firm consistency that holds its shape inside the pastry during frying. Meanwhile, another section of the factory prepares the remaining ingredients for the filling. Fresh green peas, onions, green chilies, ginger, garlic, coriander leaves, and carefully measured spice blends are delivered to the preparation area. Depending on the factory recipe, cumin, coriander powder, turmeric, red chili powder, garam masala, black pepper, and salt are added in exact quantities. Automated weighing systems ensure every batch contains the same ingredient proportions. The mashed potatoes are transferred into enormous stainless steel mixing kettles, where all the vegetables and spices are combined. Powerful mixing arms slowly rotate through the mixture, distributing every ingredient evenly. The factory quickly fills with the rich aroma of freshly cooked Indian spices. Once the filling reaches the desired consistency, it is allowed to cool before moving toward the assembly line. While the filling is being prepared, another production line focuses on making the samosa dough. Large industrial mixers combine wheat flour, water, salt, vegetable oil, and other ingredients inside giant mixing bowls. Powerful kneading arms continuously work the mixture until it develops into a smooth, firm, and elastic dough. Unlike bread dough, samosa dough must remain strong enough to hold the filling while producing a crispy texture after frying. Once kneading is complete, the dough is allowed to rest for a short period. This resting stage relaxes the gluten structure, making the dough easier to process during shaping. After resting, the dough moves toward large sheeting machines where massive steel rollers gradually flatten it into long, continuous sheets with perfectly uniform thickness. As the dough sheets move along the conveyor, precision cutting machines divide them into identical portions. Every wrapper is exactly the same size, ensuring that every finished samosa looks identical. Producing consistent wrappers also helps maintain even cooking during frying. The prepared wrappers now enter one of the most fascinating stages of the factory. Automated filling machines deposit a carefully measured amount of potato filling onto each piece of dough. Every portion is identical, guaranteeing that every samosa contains the same amount of filling. Too much filling could cause the wrapper to burst during frying, while too little would reduce product quality. Immediately after filling, automated forming systems begin folding the dough into the famous triangular shape. Some sections of the production line rely on specialized forming machines, while others are assisted by experienced workers who quickly fold and seal each samosa by hand. The edges are pressed tightly to prevent the filling from leaking into the hot oil during frying. Freshly shaped samosas move along inspection conveyors, where workers check their appearance. Misshaped products or damaged wrappers are removed before frying. Only perfectly formed samosas continue toward the cooking section. Now comes the stage that transforms the raw pastry into the crispy snack loved around the world. The samosas slowly enter enormous industrial fryers filled with carefully heated vegetable oil. As they travel through the fryer, the dough begins changing from pale white to a beautiful golden brown. Moisture escapes from the pastry while the outer layer develops its famous crispy texture. At the same time, the potato filling inside becomes perfectly heated, allowing the spices to release their full aroma. Temperature and frying time are constantly monitored. Even small changes could affect color, crispiness, and flavor. After several minutes, the samosas emerge from the fryer with their signature golden appearance. As they leave the frying system, the samosas travel across oil-draining conveyors that remove excess cooking oil. Powerful ventilation systems help cool the products while preserving their crisp texture. Within a short time, the freshly fried samosas are cool enough to continue toward packaging. The cooled samosas enter automated packaging machines, where they are counted and arranged into retail packs. Some products are packaged for supermarkets in family-sized bags, while others are packed in bulk cartons for restaurants, hotels, and catering companies. High-speed sealing machines protect the samosas from moisture and help preserve freshness during storage and transportation. Before shipment, every package undergoes final quality control inspections. Advanced camera systems inspect packaging integrity, labeling accuracy, and overall product appearance. Random samples are also tested for weight, filling consistency, and product quality. Only products that meet the factory's strict standards are approved for shipment. The finished packages are transferred into large warehouse facilities, where thousands of cartons are stacked onto pallets. Automated forklifts organize the pallets while logistics teams prepare shipments for delivery. Every day, fleets of trucks transport these freshly packed samosas to supermarkets, restaurants, convenience stores, wholesalers, and food distributors across the country. Within just a few days, the same potatoes, flour, vegetables, and spices that entered the factory separately have been transformed into millions of perfectly crispy samosas, ready to be enjoyed by customers everywhere. And that's the part most people never see. Behind every crispy samosa lies an enormous manufacturing operation involving potato preparation, spice blending, dough production, automated forming systems, industrial frying equipment, quality control laboratories, high-speed packaging lines, warehouse operations, and nationwide distribution networks. What looks like a simple snack is actually the result of modern food engineering, precision manufacturing, and decades of culinary expertise, working together to produce one of the world's most popular savory foods. And that is how millions of crispy samosas are made inside a modern factory. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes factory journey, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing food production and manufacturing stories. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.